Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. In today's video, I'm going to do a little what I eat in a day. I haven't done one of these in ages, and I just thought I would show you some fun recipes. I'm actually trying to use up what's left in my fridge and cupboard at the moment because I'm going to visit my family over Christmas. So I want to use up all the stuff which would go off if I left it. So you'll be seeing some kind of just like mix, mash, put together stuff in this video, but I hope you find it entertaining, and hopefully it can also give you a couple of ideas of things you can do with, you know, leftovers and little bits and bobs in your fridge and cupboard and freezer. So without further ado, let's jump straight into it with my breakfast. So for breakfast today, I decided to make gingerbread oats. If you love gingerbread, you are going to love this recipe. It honestly tastes so good. Basically, I'm just making my regular kind of oats recipe with roughly half a cup. I think today I used more like 2/3, 3/4 of a cup because I was a little bit more hungry. So just, you know, the oats, the water or milk, half a mashed banana. That's kind of my base for everyday oats. And then I added in all of the different spices. So I've got cinnamon, I've got mixed spice, which has allspice, nutmeg, and cinnamon in it, as well as some ground ginger and some vanilla extract. And that is basically it. You just want to cook it until it is nice and thick. Well, I prefer it thick. You can have it thinner if you like, obviously whatever texture you like for your oats, but I like it nice and thick. And then just transfer that into your bowl. You could add extra fruit here if you would like. I actually just didn't have much lying around. I would have usually added some berries in, but I didn't today. I just topped it off with some almond butter. This is actually an almond, Brazil, and cashew nut butter. It's so yum. As well as some maple syrup and some flax meal. I forgot to add the flax meal into the actual porridge, so I just had it on top. And actually it tasted really good on top. So yeah, that was my breakfast. Super, super tasty and really filling as well. All right, so I made this sticky date pudding last night, and I'm just gonna have half a slice quickly before I go and do a workout because I just need a little bit of extra sustenance. So I'm just gonna snack on that. So good. So I actually went and got the rest of the slice because it just tasted too good. So I just wanted to let you know that I had a whole big slice of cake. And I don't regret it. Alrighty, on to my lunch for today. I had some leftover potatoes at home, so I decided to make a homemade hash brown. I'd actually never made a homemade hash brown before, so this was a bit of a trial, a test, but it actually did turn out really well, so I was very pleasantly surprised. So all I'm doing here is peeling and then grating up 3 kind of small to medium sized potatoes. I actually got these from the Garden of Vegan produce box. Garden of Vegan is an amazing meal delivery service, but they actually also have produce boxes and they're all organic. So I'm really grateful to have the delicious fresh fruit and veggies from Garden of Vegan. But yeah, I was making sure to use it all up before they went off. So I have my potatoes here, as well as this onion was also from Garden of Vegan. They do just amazing stuff. I'll leave a link down below if you want to check them out. I do also have a review video on them from like 6 months ago, which you can check out, which was more of the ready-made meals, but they do also have produce boxes, which I highly recommend. So all I'm doing now is mixing the onion and potato in a little bowl with some garlic powder, some chicken style salt, and some parsley flakes. So just to give it a really nice flavor. And yeah, that was it for the hash brown mixture. Honestly, so quick and easy. And now it is time to cook it. So I'm just putting some nuttelex, which is like a plant-based butter, into my pan. And then I'm putting down all the mixture into my pan. Not all of the mixture actually fit in. So I didn't quite use all of it. I probably used about 2 potatoes worth. Just, you know, if you are trying to make this yourself, but you could definitely make like small little hash browns in a bigger pan, but I just kind of wanted to try making one really big one. I think smaller ones would have worked better if you'll see later when I try to flip it, but yes, anyway, so just press that down into your pan. You want to press it together so that it kind of gets more compact and sticks together. And then on my bigger pan, I'm making my tofu scramble. So I'm just going to skip past all of this because I have made tofu scramble a lot of times here on my YouTube channel. I'll link some videos down below where I go into more detail of exactly how I make my tofu scramble. But basically it's just some crumbled firm tofu with a bit of almond milk and then some spices, and that's pretty much it. Super quick and easy. So now to plate it up, here is my beautiful hash brown. We have the tofu scramble, and then I've also mashed up half of an avocado, and finally we're going to top it off with some tomato sauce just for an extra hit of flavor. And guys, honestly, this was so tasty. It was such a good, quick and easy meal that was super hearty and satisfying. And now onto my dinner. So for dinner, I actually just had some leftovers that I had sitting in the freezer that needed to be eaten. I had made a big batch of pasta about a week ago, and I still had a serve in the freezer to use, so I thought I would just have that. I actually used dinosaur-shaped pasta. I usually would use a gluten-free pasta or something, but I just saw this dinosaur-shaped pasta at the supermarket, and honestly, it just made me laugh, and so I bought it. And I used it, and then I used a plant-based mincemeat to make a bolognese sauce, which also has some carrots I put in there. So it's got carrots and onion, passata, and the plant-based mince. And then I kind of just felt like some more greens, but I didn't really have any fresh greens. So I decided to just heat up some frozen peas and mix that in with the pasta, just to get a bit of greenery in there, because, if I don't have any greens in my day, I don't feel complete. So I wanted to add in some greens in the form of peas today. And so yeah, that's basically all I did. I just heated it all up in the microwave, put the pasta in my bowl, and then I heated it up for another 30 seconds just to make sure that those peas were cooked. And yeah, that's basically it for this meal. Super quick and easy, obviously, because I did meal prep it. But yeah, I highly recommend meal prep. I'm a big advocate for meal prep. I think it just saves so much time, and also it means that you have these healthy meals ready to go whenever you feel like it. And sometimes you don't feel like cooking for every single meal of the day. So having something prepped in the fridge or freezer is just amazing. Anyway, after dinner, I had a couple of cups of peppermint tea, as well as 2 blocks of dark chocolate. So yeah, my boyfriend and I just shared these few blocks of chocolate and had some tea, and yeah, that's the end of my day. Alrighty guys, well I hope you enjoyed this what I eat in a day video. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments down below if you'd like to see more videos like this, or if there's anything else you'd like to see on my channel, because as always, I honestly really want to create videos that you guys genuinely enjoy and get value from. Sorry, my cat's playing with a toy. But yeah, I hope you all have the best day. Merry Christmas. This will be my last video before Christmas, so I hope you have the most amazing Christmas time wherever you are in the world, and I will see you all soon. Bye.